नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ
Nityanandam, with all auspicious blessings of His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashivam, we welcome you all to today's Nityananda Pratama Yoga Vinyasa Krama. We'll be beginning this Pratama Vinyasa Krama Yoga by invoking Swamiji's presence by chanting the Sadguru Vandanam. Sit with your head, neck, spine in a straight line. Close your eyes. Bring your hands in the Atmanjali Mudra. Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasyaadhilakshyam Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadhi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Let us now chant the Shiva Mula mantras. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namaha. 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 Om हां हौं शिवाय नमः। ॐ 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 हां हौं शिवाय नमः। Now we'll be entering into Achamaniyam. Take 1 Udarini spoon of water from the Panchapatra and pour it on the center of your right palm. Then with the chanting of the mantras, drink the water that on the base of the thumb totally 3 times. Om Atmatattvam Shodhayami Svada. Om Vidyatattvam Shodhayami Svada. Om Shivatattvam Shodhayami Svada. Chant the Hridaya mantra. Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha. With the base of the thumb, wipe the upper and lower lips. Wash your hands. Touch the lower and upper lips with the index and middle ring fingers together. Touch both the nostrils, right and then left, with the tip of the thumb and index finger joined together. Touch the eye, right and the left, with the tip of the thumb and ring finger joined together. Touch the ears, right and then left, with the tip of the thumb and ring finger joined together. Touch the navel with the little finger and the thumb joined together. Then the right and the left chest. Wash your hands. With all the fingers touch the crown of the head, both the shoulders, right and then left. Now we'll be entering into the Sankalpa, the conscious resolution to build the yogic body to radiate and express the state, space and the powers of Paramashiva. Om Mamopata Samasta Dhuridakshaya Bhagavat Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Prityartam Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameda Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Prityartam Cha Shubhe Shobhane Muhurte Adhya Brahmanaha द्वितीय परार्ते श्री श्वेतवराह कल्पे वैवस्वतमन्वन्तरे अष्टाविंशतितमे नित्ययुगे प्रथमे पादे जम्बूद्वीपे भारतवर्षे भरतकण्ठे मेरोः दक्षिणे पार्श्वे शगाप्ते अस्मिन् वर्तमाने व्यवहारिके प्रभवादीनां षष्ट्याः संवत्सराणां मध्ये विकारिनाम संवत्सरे उत्तरायणे लक्ष्मीवेङ्कटेश्वर ऋतौ ऋषभमासे कृष्णपक्षे शुभदश्यां शुभतिथौ शुक्रवासरयुक्तायां शुभनक्षत्र शुभयोग शुभकरण एवं गुणविशेषण विशिष्टायाम् अस्यां शुभतिथौ श्री कैलासोनद द्वादशान्त श्यामला पीठारूढ़ श्री मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वरा भिन्न स्वरूप परशिवपुत्र रत्नकुमार गुरुमन्यतुल्यावतार श्री पार्वती स्तन्यपानलप्त दिव्य ज्ञान विश्रुत सकल निगमागम सारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवर्तृ श्रीमत् परमशिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान गीयमान छत्र चामर श्री चिन्ह काहलादि समस्त बिरदावल्यलंकृत ज्ञानविज्ञानचक्रवर्ती सर्वजनसङ्गसत्यो निर्वाण दीक्षाव्याभवर्गवश्च विश्रानजीमूत परममतकलबकेसरी शैव सिद्धान्तस्थापनाचार्य श्रीराजाधिराज पाण्ड्य महाराज गुरु शपनशाक्यादिमहान्तकार निवारण ज्ञान भानु वीक्षणानर्हार ध्वजोच्चेतनपूर्वक श्रीमद्वृषभध्वजस्थापक शैव समयकर्तृ सर्वज्ञपीठारूढ श्री जगद्गुरु श्री ज्ञानसंबंध स्वामी पुनरुद्धृत श्यामलापीठ महासंस्थान ज्ञान साम्राज्य शासक सर्वज्ञपीठारूढ त्रिनवत्युत्तर द्विशततम गुरु महासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत सूर्यवंश सुरांगी साम्राज्य शासक महानिर्वाणी पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामंडलेश्वर अटलपीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्रतम अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री अटलपीठाधीश्वर धर्ममुक्ति स्वर्गपुर स्वर्णपीठस्य त्रयोविंश गुरुमहासन्निधान श्रीमत् परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्यवर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ नित्योत्सव नित्यमंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रचित नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कर्तृ कैलास पुनरुद्धारक जगद्गुरु शील श्री भगवत श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां प्रीत्यर्थं तेषां पादारविन्दयोः भक्ति सिद्ध्यर्थं गुरुकृपा कटाक्ष सिद्ध्यर्थं क्षेमस्थैर्य वीर्य विजय आयुरारोग्य ऐश्वर्याणाम् अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं धर्मार्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्विध फल पुरुषार्थ सिद्ध्यर्थं मम समस्त दुरिदोपशान्त्यर्थं समस्त मंगलावाप्यर्थं भगवत श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव स्वामी कृपा कटाक्षेण पूर्ण आरोग्य युक्त दृढ़गात्र यौगिक शरीर सिद्ध्यर्थं परमशिव शक्ति आविष्करणार्थं सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञान वैराग्य जीवन मुक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थं श्री नित्यानंद योगाभ्यासं करिष्ये। ओम अपोपस्पृश्य अथ प्रथम योग विन्यास क्रमः। Now we'll be entering into the asana. The first is Sukhasana. Sit comfortable in cross-legged position. Head, neck, spine in a straight line. Hands on knees, index finger and thumb finger together. Visualize Paramashiva in your third eye and japa Soham. Sukhasana. Tat Sukhasanamityuktam Ashattastat Samacharet Asanam Vijitam Yena Jitam Tena Jagatrayam. The next is Parvatasana. In Padmasana or cross-legged position, inhale arms straight up and palms together. Visualize Mount Kailash in your third eye and Bandha Mahamudra. Japa Soham. Parvatasana. Atavakshe Mahadeva Parvatasana Mangalam Yatkritva Stirarupi Syat Satchakradi Vilopanam. The next is Halipavasana. Legs in front, soles together. Exhale, forehead to the heels. Lock your hands in back in Parashu Mudra. Gaze at your nose. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and japa Soham. Halipavasana. Puravaviti Yahu me jano Ubhe pagatali samputataano Pishtubachye doho kar liyavo दचुनकरसो वामह गावो पिष्टहत्येलां कीहै जोहि हंस सहित भूमितरे सोहि पुनिललाटी भूपरिताने येड्यां लहता माहि आने.
Soham.
The next is Nagi Pavasana. Soles together,
Soham.
elbows on legs, cup palms on floor, and gaze at your nose. Visualize snake in your third eye and japa Soham, Bandha, Mahamudra. Nagi Pavasana.
Soham.
पूर्व विधि परि आगाने नेचो होई कहोनी पहास्यो लगाई हाथ आघानी धरती लगावे पसारी तो हाथ की जूली करे भूयडी परि लागावे दृष्टि न साग्र आसन को गुण शरीर भिता जाई. The next is Kokilasana. Hold big toes in Prana Mudra. Inhale, arms up, straighten legs. Exhale to Padmasana. Elbows down, eyes forward and down. Visualize a bird in your third eye and japa Soham. Kokilasana. अतान्यदासनं वक्ष्ये येन सिद्धो भवेन्नरः अकस्मात् वायुसञ्चारं कोकिलाख्यासनेन च ऊर्ध्वे हस्तद्वयं कृत्वा तदग्रे पादयो सुधीः वृत्ताङ्गुष्ठद्वयं नाथ शनैः शनैः प्रकारयेत्. The next is Netyasana. Stack ankles and knees. Hold elbows and circle both direction. Gaze at your nose. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Bandha Mahamudra. Japa Soham. Netyasana. गोवा बावा पादक आहमाहिली सोई दच चरण को वारलो तापरि गुल्प समोही वाम पाद को माहिलो बहुरो गुल्प चुजानो तापरि गोडा दचकी आनो. The next will be moving to Gajasana. Hands and feet on floor, hips up, scoop nose to the ground repeatedly. Visualize elephant in your third eye and japa Soham. Bandha Udyana Bandha. Gajasana. Nyubjam padakre bhumo kritva lambhi bhuyamastagre nidaya nidhamba murtva murtvamaya nabilaksham bhumo nasika maniya hastatala paryantam nayet ittam punah punah kuryat gajasanam bhavati. The next will be moving to Rikshasana. Stop motion. Alternate heels to the ground. Visualize a bear in your third eye and Bandha Udyana Bandha. Japa Soham. Rikshasana. Ekaikam padamakunchya Gajasanam kuryat Rikṣāsanam bhavati. The next will be moving to Vaishyasana. Heels up, balance on the big toes, index, middle and ring finger on the heart. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Bandha Udyana Bandha. Japa Soham. Vaishyāsanam. केशेन पादयुगलं बद्ध्वा तिष्ठेत धूमुखः अत वैश्यावक्षे यत्कृत्वा सत्यवान् भवेत्. The next will be moving to Karana, Urdhva Janukarana. Aramandi, half squatting position, heels together, toes outwards, knees wide apart. Back of the hands resting on the waist. Bring both the palms to the chest level. Lift the right knee towards the chest in a circular simultaneously. Respective hand follows the foot movement. And return to the Aramandi and repeat on the other side. The next will be moving to Balalingasana. Ground the left foot. Bring the other knee to the chest level with the fingers outside in. Bandha Mahamudra. Visualize the holding a child in your third eye. And Japa Soham. Balalingasana. Ekam Janurasi Malingya Statavyam Balalinganam Bhavati. The next will be moving to Pada Pitanasana. Bring the heel to the buttocks. Hold the foot behind your buttocks. With the hand in Parashu Mudra, knees together. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Bandha Mahamudra. Japa Soham. Pada Pitanasana. स्थित्वैकस्मिन् पादतले कराभ्यां वेष्टयेतनुं पृष्ठे संस्थाप्य यत्नेन पादपीठनमासनम्. The next will be moving to Natarajasana. Right hand catch inside of the foot. Lift right leg. Left arms extend out. Index finger and thumb in Bindu Mudra. Visualize Nataraja in your third eye. And Japa Soham. Bandha Mula Bandha. Natarajasana. Uttana Padam Kraum Chamcha Maricham Veerabhadrakam Natarajam Trikonam Cha Suptangashta Prasarane. We'll be moving to the Balalingasana on the other side. Ekam Janurasi Malingya Statavyam Balalinganam Bhavati. The next is Pada Pidanasana. Sthitvaikasmin padatale karabhyam veshtayetanum prishte samstapya yatnena padapitanamasana. The next is Natarajasana. Uttana padam kraum chamcha maricham veerabhadrakam natarajam trikonam cha suptangashta prasarane. The next will be moving to Atarichita Karana. From Aramandi, cross ankles, right foot behind, heels raised, the left hand on the chest and the right hand making a pendulum movement. The fingers moving inwards towards the palm and then outwards. Then the right palm is placed onto the nose and cross ankle, heels together, right hand, circular motion, fingertips point to the floor. The next will be moving to the skeleton dance. Visualize yourself as a pure bone and start shaking your body intensely.
ईशानमूर्ताय सदाशिवाय सत्पुरुषवक्त्राय महेश्वराय अघोरहृदयाय रुद्रेश्वराय वामेश्वराय स्थितिकारणाय सत्यस्वरूपाय सृजनेश्वराय स्वागतं स्वागतं स्वामिन् ते स्वागतम् अस्माकं हृदये भोः सुस्वागतं ते स्वागतं स्वागतं स्वामिन् ते स्वागतम् अस्माकं हृदये भोः सुस्वागतं ते ब्रह्मस्वरूपं शिवशक्तिऐक्यं दमरुककरतिरुशूलम् आह्वानहस्तम् काषायवस्त्रं राजसन्न्यासं वन्देकं परमहंस नित्यानन्द सद्गुरुम् श्री जगद्गुरु शिवगुरु स्वागतं 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 स्वामिन् ते स्वागतम् अस्माकं हृदये भोः सुस्वागतं ते स्वागतं स्वागतं स्वामिन् ते स्वागतम् अस्माकं हृदये भोः सुस्वागतं ते संसारे आरण्य अत्यन्तकारे गुरुमेतु कौमुदी गुरुरेव शरणं संसारे आरण्य अत्यन्तकारे गुरुमेतु कौमुदी गुरुरेव शरणं द्वन्द्वस्य जालेनु तप्तोऽहं पाहि मामद्वैतमौषधं गुरुपादशरणं द्वन्द्वस्य जालेनु तप्तोऽहं पाहि मामद्वैतमौषधं गुरुपादशरणं गुरवे
Start walking in front of the mat. The next will be moving to Tadasana. Here the weights are optional. Stand tall and arms up, palms facing one another. Visualize a palm tree in your third eye and Bandha Udhyana Bandha. Japa Shivoham. Tadasana. Mahamudra Bhatta Kono Tadasana Vibhedakan Vinotanam Sata Kuryat Antarvatni Pati Priya. The next will be moving to Uttanasana. Exhale, arms down, hands by the feet, head to the knees. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Japa Shivoham. Bandha Mahamudra. Uttanasana. Mahamudra Bhatta Kono Tadasana Vibhedakan Vinotanam Sata Kuryat Antarvatni Pati Priya. The next is Tarakshvasana. In a plank position, tuck chin in Jalantara Bandha. Rotate head from side to side. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Bandha Jalantara Bandha and Japa Shivoham. Tarakshvasana. Gajasana Vastitva Mastakam Varam Varam Dakshina Kukshim Savya Kukshim Nayet Tarakshvasanam Bhavati. The next is Bhujangasana. Flat on the floor, raise chest and heads up using the lower back muscles. Open mouth wide and inhale through back of the throat. Visualize a cobra in your third eye and Bandha Moola Bandha. Japa Shivoham. Bhujangasana. Angushtanabhiparyantam Ato Bhumo Vininyaset Karabhyam Chataram Dhritva Urdvasirshav Panivahi Dehak Nirvartate Nityam Sarvaroga Vinashanam Jagarti Bhujagi Devi Bhujangasana Sadhanat. The next will be moving to Shashasana. Tuck toes and bring hips up. Alternative knees to the chest. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Japa Shivoham. Bandha Moola Bandha. Gajasana Samstitva Janutvayamakunchya Varam Varam Kartavyam Shashasanam Bhavati. The next is Rathasana. Step one foot between the hand, alternating jumping your feet between the hands. Visualize a chariot in your third eye, Bandha Moola Bandha and Japa Shivoham. Rathasana. Gajasana Samstito Yekaikam Padam Puro Margena Brahmahitva Kartavyam Rathasanam Bhavati. The The next we'll be moving to Virabhadrasana. Here the weights are optional. Front knee bent at 90 degree, back leg straight at 45 degree, arms overhead, gaze at your third eye. Visualize a god Virabhadra in your third eye and Bandha Udyana Bandha and Japa Shivoham Virabhadrasana. Vashishtamatakauntanyam ऊर्ध्वकुक्कुटमेव च अष्टावक्रमतोतान मयूरं सेतुबन्धनम् उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्टप्रसारणे. We'll be repeating the Virabhadra asana on the other side. वाशिष्ठमतकौण्डिन्यम् ऊर्ध्वकुक्कुटमेव च अष्टावक्रमतोतानं मयूरं सेतुबन्धनम् उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्टप्रसारणे. The next will be moving to Vrikshasana. Here the weights are optional. Ground one foot, place the opposite sole on the inner thigh, bring palms together and raise them above the head. Visualize a tree in your third eye and japa Shivoham Bandha, Moola or Udyana Bandha. Vrikshasana. Vamura Moolale Deshe Yam Yam Padam Nidhayatu Tishthetu Vrikshavat Bhumo Vrikshasanamidam Viduhu. The next is Garudasana. Here the weights are optional. Bring foot in front of the hip. Keep opposite leg straight like a rod. Palms together in front of the heart. Visualize Lord Garuda in your third eye and Bandha Moola Bandha Japa Shivoham Garudasana. Garudasanamavakshe येन ध्यानं स्थिरं भवेत् सर्वदोषाधिविनिर्मुक्तो भवतीय महाबली एकपादं मुरो भत्वा एकपादेन दण्डवत् जङ्घापादसन्धिदेशे ज्ञानव्यग्रं व्यवस्थितम् एतमासनमाकृत्य पृष्ठसंहारमुद्रया आराध्य योगदानं च सदा सर्वेश्वरस्य च. We'll be repeating the Vrikshasana on the other side. Vamura-moolale deshe yam yam padam nidayatu tishthetu vrikshavat bhumo vrikshasanamidam viduhu. And we'll be repeating the Garudasana on the other side. Garudasanamavakshe yena dhyanam stiram bhavet सर्वदोषाधिविनिर्मुक्तो भवतीय महाबली एकपादं मुरो भत्वा एकपादेन दण्डवत् जङ्घापादसन्धिदेशे ज्ञानव्यग्रं व्यवस्थितम् एतमासनमाकृत्य पृष्ठसंहारमुद्रया आराध्य योगदानं च सदा सर्वेश्वरस्य च. The next will be moving to Trikonasana. Here the weights are optional. Step legs apart, one hand to the floor, other hand in the air. Looking hand in the air, visualize a triangle in your third eye and Bandha Moola Bandha Japa Shivoham Trikonasana. उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्टप्रसारणे. We'll be repeating the Trikonasana on the other side. उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्टप्रसारणे. We'll be moving to the last Karana, Nikuta Karana. Standing in Aramandi, hands horizontal, palms facing each other. Alternatively, thrash the heel to the floor. Simultaneously, switch palm position.
शिवोऽहम्
The next will be moving to Angushtasana.
शिवोऽहम्
On toes, sit on heels, palms together in front of the heart. Visualize the Swamiji in your third eye. Japa Sadashivoham and Bandha Mula Bandha Angushtasana.
शिवो
सदाशिवोऽहम्
कबन्धासनमित्यागुः गोरक्षासनमेव च अङ्गुष्ठमुष्टिकं ज्ञेयं ब्रह्मप्रासागिदं तथा. The next will be moving to Saurasana. Fingertips to the floor, palms open facing forward in Vara Mudra. Stretch right leg with toes pointed upwards. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Bandha Mula Bandha Japa Sadashivoham Saurasana. Prasaryekam padatalam samstapya yatveka padakam. The next will be moving to Vidunasana. In the same position, hold front toes, hold back heel. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye, Bandha Mahamudra and Japa Sadashivoham Vidunasana. Gulposthito padamekam prasarya tatpadakram sansprishe tatkarena gulpam chanyamam dharaye tatkarena dhunam pitam chabhyase chobayatra. We'll be repeating the Saurasana on the other side. Prasaryekam padatalam samstapya yatveka padakam. And we'll be repeating the Vidunasana on the other side. Gulposthito padamekam prasarya tatpadakram sansprishe tatkarena gulpam chanyamam dharaye tatkarena dhunam pitam chabhyase chobayatra. The next will be moving to Brahmajurangasana. Bring feet together on toes, knees together, sit on heels, palms facing upwards and on the knees. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Bandha Jalantara Bandha and Japa Sadashivoham Brahmajurangasana. Dovo panapani hoyi vaise yedi dogudani vaise kora pagatalya ki mahili ayasa mahira kehili dovo goda aage aane sudo kari umchale dane hat do le upar dare hadeli sude kare. We'll be moving to Kapilasana. Place knees onto the ground and wide apart, hands on respective knees. Gaze at your nose. Visualize Sage Kapila in your third eye and Japa Sadashivoham and Bandha Udhyana Bandha Kapilasana. Ubhe pagatali samadherave tinako mahili ko ramilave panapani ukat hoi vaise edino joni ni vaise गोढ़ाडो भूमि लगावे समशरीर नीक तहरावे हस्तदो गोड़ा बैरासे नासा दृष्टि अचल कर दासे. Now we'll be moving to Bhadragorakasana. In the same posture, gaze to your third eye. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Japa Sadashivoham Bandha Mula Bandha Bhadragorakasana. दोवो पगतल्ली संपूट करे कोरा वारिली भूपरि दरे कोरा वारिली राके ऐसे तापरि मूल द्वार तीके बैसे गोड़ा पीड़ी भूपरि ताके हाथ दो गोड़ा परि राके दृष्टि त्रिकुटी मध्य जुताने ताको गोरा भद्र बकाने. Now next we'll be moving to Suryasana. On toes, sit on heels, knees up and wide. Spread fingers wide, forming a lotus. Gaze through the palm. Visualize God Surya in your third eye and Bandha, Mula or Udhyana Bandha. Japa Sadashivoham Suryasana. Yedi do gudadari aane panapani bhaitaka punitane goda jang adar kari rahe आले भामे ऐसी विधि गाहे दोवो भुजा नाभदि सपसारे कमल स्वरूप अंगुरिदारे पहुच्यमदि चित्र पुनिदाने चित्र विसे पुनि दृष्टि जु आने. Now we'll be moving to Mandukasana. Lower arms and knees. Relax toes, sit between your heels and palms on knees. Pressing tongue against hollow in the mouth. Visualize frog in your third eye. Mandukasana. Padatalo prishtadeshe अंगुष्टे दे संस्पृशेत जानुयुग्मं पुरस्कृत्य साधयेत मंडुकासनम. Now we'll be moving to Uttana Mandukasana. Hands to opposite shoulder, pressing tongue against hollow in the mouth. Visualize frog in your third eye. Uttana Mandukasana. मंडुकासन मध्यस्थं कूर्पराभ्यां धृतं शिरः एतद्बेकवदुत्तान मेतदुत्तान मंडुकम्. We'll be moving to Simhasana. Cross right ankle over left. Place right heel underneath perineum. Hands on knees. Exhale, sticking tongue out. Gaze at your nose. Visualize lion in your third eye. Bandha, Moola Bandha and Japa Sadashivoham. Simhasana. Dakshinam Savyakulpena Dakshinena Tadhetaram Hasto cha Janur Samstapya Swangulischa Prasarya cha Vyakta Vaktro Niriksheta Nasagram Susamahitah Simhasanam Bhavete Tad Pujitam Yogi Bisada. The next will be moving to Bhadrasana. Soles together, sit on your heels and knees wide. Cross hand behind back. Hold opposite toes in Prana Mudra. Gaze at your nose. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Bandha, Moola or Jalantra Bandha. And Japa Sadashivoham. Bhadrasana. Gulpahoto Vrishanyadaha Sivanyo Parshvayoshipet Padaparshvetu Panibhyam Dridam Bhatva Sunischalam Bhadrasanam Bhavete Tat Sarvavyati Pishapaham. The next is Kakapusandi Asana. Squat on flat feet, knees wide apart. Wrap arms around ground. Knees to the locked fingers behind in Parashu Mudra. Gaze at your nose. Visualize a crow in your third eye. Kakapusandi Asana. Pratame Vaisika Ukate Tane Dohu Hata Pagam Vyache Ane Tirako Modi Nalyam Parilave Vishtupachye Kakasi Karve. The next is Kani Pavasana. Palms on floor, shoulder width, hips up. Bring knees above elbows, point toes. Slightly lift your head, balance yourself on the hand. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Kani Pavasana. Asana Kauguna Asi Dusati Hoi Tu Achi Hoi. The next is Kapilasana. Head to the ground, knees on elbows. Stretch, legs up and gaze at your nose. Kapali Asana. Sisa Sisa Dharati Teki Pagato Milave Uche Kukare Pagatalya Akasa Disa Sanamusurase Dovu Hata Ki Hateli Dovu Pasadhya Dharati Teku Drishtina Saagra Asana Kauguna Rahe Kapali Asana Jama Hoi Shama. The next will be moving to Pashva Mayurasana. Palms on ground and shoulder width, knees to one side of body. Press elbows to the knee and hip. Lean forward, toes up. Stretch legs to the side and gaze at your third eye. Pashva Mayurasana. Visualize a peacock in your third eye. Mayuram Dandavat Kuryan Mayuram Dandanamakam कुर्यान् मायूरं पार्श्वाभ्यां मायूरपार्श्वनामकम्. We'll be repeating the Parshva Mayurasana on the other side. Mayuram dandavat kuryan Mayuram dandanamakam kuryan Mayuram parshvabhyam Mayura parshvanamakam. The next is Bhairanganathasana. In a plank position, bring one leg over the shoulder, foot between the hands, gaze at your third eye, visualize God Bhairanganatha in your third eye, and Japa Sadashivoham. Bhairanganathasana. Asana Kauguna Piti Jai. We'll be repeating the Bhairanganathasana on the other side. Asana Kauguna Piti Jai. The next is Unmukha Petasana. Press forearms down, hips up, on tips of your toes. Gaze your third eye. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Japa Sadashivoham. Unmukha Petasana. Bhunyastu Januni Hastu Chatushpadana Vanmukam Uttapidangri Yugala Katistalana Bhiruka. The next will be moving to Vashishtasana. Here the weights are optional. Plant one hand and weight onto the side. Keep hand underneath shoulder. Hips raised up. Raise opposite hand straight up. Gaze through the palm. Visualize Sage Vashishta in your third eye. Vashishtasana. Urdhva Kukkuta Vashishta Marichihala Matsyakam Parivrittim Chodarasya Vivitam Dhanurasanam. We'll be repeating the Vashishtasana on the other side. Urdhva Kukkuta Vashishta Marichihala Matsyakam Parivrittim Chodarasya Vivitam Dhanurasanam. Now we'll be moving to Anjani Asana. Stretch legs straight, toes pointed up, head, neck, spine in a straight line. Sit on upturned palms and gaze at your nose. Visualize God Hanuman in your third eye. Anjani Asana. Dovu kariki ube hateli, kora varili mele beli. So agamni bhuparidase, mahamani anguli milirase. The next will be moving to Paschimottanasana. Bend forward, flat back. Hold big toes in Prana Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Paschimottanasana. Janu parilalatam tu paschimam tanamuchyate. Yena kena prakarena sukham daryam cha jayate. The next is Ugrasana. Interlace finger behind. The head, chest forward and knees towards and head towards knees. Visualize Goddess Kali in your third eye. Ugrasana. Swapanibhyam dridam dritva Janu parisironyaset asano gramitam proktam bhavetanila deepanam dehavasana haranam paschimottasana samyakam ya edat asanam shreshtam pratyaham sadayet sudihi. The next will be moving to Marichi Asana. Bring heels towards perineum and knees to the chest. Wrap arms around raised knee. Hold hand behind back. Visualize Sage Marichi in your third eye. Marichi Asana. Uttana padam krauncham cha Maricham veera bhadrakam Natarajam trikonam cha Suptangashta prasarane. The next is Mahamudrasana. Lower knee to the floor and chest forward and down. Hold the toes. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Mahamudrasana. Mahamudra bhattakono Tadasana Vibedakan विनोतानं सता कुर्यात् अन्तर्वत्नीपति प्रिया.
Mahasadaशिवोऽहम्.
We'll be repeating the Marichi asana on the other side. उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्टप्रसारणे. And Mahamudrasana. महामुद्रा भक्तकोनो ताडासन विभेदकान् विनोतानं सता कुर्यात् अन्तर्वत्नीपति प्रिया. Now we'll be moving to Bhadrasana too. Soles together, heels at the perineum, hand holding the feet by their sides. Gaze at your third eye. Visualize Lord Kala Bhairava in your third eye. Bhadrasana 2. Gulpo do vrishanyadaha sivanyo parshvayoshipet पादपार्श्वेतु पाणिभ्यां धृतं बद्ध्वा सुनिश्चलं भद्रासनं भवेतेतत् सर्वव्याधिपिशापहम्. The next will be moving to Gvalipavasana. Toes together, heels apart, hands on knees and gaze at your nose. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Gvalipavasana. पूरवचरपतक होई सोई वाही विधियो की जी सोई यामे येडी भीमन चुरासे अंगुलतो अंतरो रासे. The next will be moving to Joni Asana. Hold the soles of the feet with all 10 fingers, elbow onto the ground near the chins. Lean whole body forward and gaze at your nose. Visualize Yoni Mandala in your third eye, Joni Asana. Do Pupagatalli Samputa Kare, Yedi Medika Dingadare, Arthahatuko Antaro Rase, Late Pagatalya Mupare Dase. The next is Midaki Pavasana. Heels together, toes apart, forehead on the ground near heels, arms to the side over knee, palms on the floor and gaze at your nose. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and japa Mahasadashivoham. Midaki Pavasana. Purava vidhi pari pagatalli sampute sola yedi mile rase yedya sumahili kahuni agullato अडवार्य लीलाटे धरती लगावे हाथ दो गोड़ा परिलावे दृष्टिना साक्र. The next is Siddha Samadhi Asana. Arms between thighs and shin palms up, nose onto the ground, toes touch throat and gaze at your nose. Visualize Paramashiva in your third eye, Siddha Samadhi Asana. Dovu pagatalli samputa kare soli mede dingadare. The next will be moving to Chinaki Pavasana. Heels together, toes apart, soles towards the sky, keeping back of fingers and hand on ground, elbow on knees. Gaze at your nose. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye, Chinaki Pavasana. Dovu pagaki yedi dhariti lagave, medya lagave, pagatalli mahili kora milave. The next will be moving to Charapata Chokasana. Sit up straight, soles together, hands on knees, press down. Gaze at your third eye. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye, Charapata Chokasana. Dovu pagatalli samputa dare, agamne kare jare pasare, goda bhusa laghate rase, hath do goda paridase. The next will be moving to Bhairavasana. Lift heels off ground, toes down, knees wide on ground with hands by their side. Visualize Lord Kala Bhairava in your third eye. Bhairavasana.
Shivoham Mahasada Shivoham
Gulpo Sampita Chanunyam Yuktramenam Yidam Shanaihi Janur Pashvagata Hastu Dandavad Bhairavasanam. The next will be moving to Samanasana. Place one the heel of the one foot at the perineum and hold the other foot to the chest. Gaze at your third eye. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Samanasana. Samanasana-mavakshe siddhamantradi-sadanat ekapadam murodatva guhyonya-lingavatkare etat virasanam nata samanasana-samyakam ityakritya japen mantram dhritva vayum chadurtale. The next is Apanasana. Bring one knee over shoulder, hands on floor, extend other leg and gaze at your third eye. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Apanasana. केवलं पादमेकञ्च स्कन्धे चारोप्य यत्नतः एकपादेन गहने तिष्ठे दण्डवत् प्रभो अपानासनमे धत्ति सर्वेषां पूरकाश्रयं कृत्वा सूक्ष्मे शीर्षपद्मे समारोप्य वायुभिः. We'll be repeating the Samanasana on the other side. Samanasana-mavakshe siddhamantradi-sadanat ekapadam murodhatva guhyonya-lingavatkare etat virasanam nata samanasana-samyakam ityakritya japen mantram dhritva vayum chadurtale. The next will be repeating the Apanasana. केवलं पादमेकञ्च स्कन्धे चारोप्य यत्नतः एकपादेन गहने तिष्ठे दण्डवत् प्रभो अपानासनमे धत्ति सर्वेषां पूरकाश्रयं कृत्वा सूक्ष्मे शीर्षपद्मे समारोप्य वायुभिः. The next will be moving to Gomukhasana. Stack knees, heels by hips, both sitting bones on mat, finger interlaced on knees. Visualize a cow's face in your third eye and japa Maha Nityanandoham and Bandha Moola Bandha Gomukhasana. सव्य दक्षिण गुल्पं तु पृष्ठपार्श्वे नियोजयेत् दक्षिणेऽपि तथा सव्यं गोमुखं यथा. The next will be moving to Anushyasana. Remaining in the same position, change hand to the whole big toes with index and middle fingers. Gaze at the tip of the nose. Visualize Goddess Anusya in your third eye and japa Maha Nityanandoham and Bandha Udhyana Bandha. Anusyasana. दक्षिण कोडा नीचो दाने वावोम ताके ऊपरे आने गोडा संधि मिले भरे अडवारे पुनि संधि पसारे. The next is Anusyasana 2. Interlace fingers behind the back. Exhale, chest down. Chin over knee, nose to the ground. Visualize Goddess Anusya in your third eye. And Bandha Moola Bandha. Japa Maha Nityanandoham. Anusyasana 2.
Shivoham
जीमान गोड की संधि उपरि दावे गोड की संधि मिले रासे
Shivoham Mahasada Shivoham Mahasada Shivoham.
The next is Garudasana.
Mahasada
Inhale up.
Shivoham.
Top knee to the chest, heel on the other foot, hands on the respective knees, spine straight, gaze at your nose. Visualize Garuda in your third eye, Garudasana. दावोपगा मोड़ी येड़ी महल्याम गुल्पप मूल द्वार नीचे दे बैसे. The next will be moving to Naradasana. Keeping one knee and leg flat on the floor, raise your seat up and place perineum above its heel. Keep opposite knee raised with the foot placed on the top of the sole of your other foot. Interlace fingers behind your neck and bring your elbows together outside of the raised knee. Gaze at your third eye. Naradasana. Visualize Sage Narada in your third eye. Naradasana. पिष्टिजु वाम पगतल्ली केरी भूपरिता के लगावे परे. Next we'll be moving to Matsya Pitakasana. Bring your lower foot and place it on the thigh of the raised knee. Wrap arm around legs, holding opposite chin and extended hand around and down towards feet, holding the big toe with index and middle finger. Matsya Pitakasana. Visualize Matsya, the fish avatar of Lord Vishnu in your third eye, and Japa Mahanityanandoham. वामेन वामागुष्टं तु गृहीतं पीठमत्स्यकं योनि वामेड्य सम्पीड्य मेढ्रादुपरि दक्षिणम्. Now we'll be going back to Gomukhasana. सव्य दक्षिणगुल्पं तु पृष्ठपार्श्वे नियोजयेत् दक्षिणेऽपि तथा सव्यं गोमुखं यथा. The next is Anusyasana. दक्षिणकोडा नीचोदाने वावों ताके ऊपरे आने. Anusyasana 2. जीमान गोड की संधि उपरि दावे गोड की संधि मिले रासे. The next is Garudasana. दावो पगा मोड़ी येड़ी महल्याम गुल्पप मूल द्वार नीचे दे बैसे. The next is Naradasana. पिष्टिजु वाम पगतल्ली केरी भूपरिता के लगावे परे. The next is Matsya Pitakasana. योनि वामेड सम्पीड्यं मेढ्रादुपरि दक्षिणम्. The next will be moving to Matsyendrasana. Keeping one foot on opposite thigh, put the elbow onto the thigh of opposite raised knee and its palm holding the face. Twist outside raised knee, keeping on the other hand on floor behind. Gaze at your third eye. Matsyendrasana. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. उदरं पश्चिमाभासं कृत्वा तिष्ठति यत्नतः नाम्रागं वामपादं हि दक्षिणजानुपरिन्यसेत् तत्र यां यां कूर्परां च यां यां करे च वत्करं भ्रुवो मध्ये गतं दृष्टिं पीठं मत्स्येन्द्रमुच्यते. The next is Kubhasana. From Matsyendrasana, release the hand from the face, reaching for the toes and raise the back and hand, bringing the thumb to the ear. Visualize a camel in your third eye and japa Mahanityanandoham, Kubhasana. Asana Kauguna Jolo Jaye. Next is Matsyendrasana 2. From Kubhasana, bring your front hand to the hole, the front chin. Release back hand onto the ground behind you. Twist to look behind and bring gaze at your third eye. Visualize a Matsya in your third eye. Matsyendrasana 2. Matsyendrapeetam Jadarapradeeptam Prachandarukmandalakandanaastram Abhyasada Kundalini Prabodham Dandastiram Nidanti Pumsat. Now we'll be repeating the Matsyendrasana on the other side. उदरं पश्चिमाभासं कृत्वा तिष्ठति यत्नतः नाम्रागं वामपादं हि दक्षिणजानुपरिन्यसेत् तत्र यां यां कूर्बरां च यां यां करे च वत्करं भ्रुवो मध्ये गतं दृष्टिं पीठं मत्स्येन्द्रमुच्यते. And we'll be repeating the Kubhasana on the other side. Asana Kauguna Jolo Jaye. And we'll be repeating Matsyendrasana on the other side. Matsyendrapeetam Jadarapradeeptim Prachandarukmandalakandanaastram Abhyasada Kundalini Prabodham Dandastiram Nidanti Pumsat. The next is Padmasana. Bring feet onto opposite thigh. Rest hands on respective knees and bring gaze to the nose. Visualize Goddess Lakshmi in your third eye. Padmasana. Asanam Divitam Proktam Padmam Vajrasanam Tata Urdvaro Parichedatte Ube Padatale Yadaha Padmasanam Bhavete Tat Sarva Papa Pranashanam. The next will be moving to Padmasana 2. Remaining in Padmasana, cross arms and hold opposite toes with index and middle fingers. Press the tongue against the teeth, inhaling through the mouth and exhaling through the nose while gazing at the tip of the nose. Visualize Goddess Lakshmi in your third eye. Padmasana 2. Uttano charano kritva urva samstapya prayattanah ruvo madhye tato tano pani kritva tu tadrisho. The next is Kukutasana. Remaining in Padmasana, insert arms through the legs, palms spread onto the ground, lean forward and lift body off from the ground. Gaze at your third eye. Kukutasana. Visualize rooster in your third eye. Padmasanam susamstapya Nanuruvantare karu Niveksha bhumo vashishtye Kukutasanaha. The next will be moving to Baddhakeki Asana. Remain in Padmasana. Rise up onto your knees, palms on the floor, fingers face you, elbows into the abdomen. Lean body onto the elbow. Lift knees and heads up. Gaze at your third eye. Visualize peacock in your third eye. Baddhageki asana. Mayuram padmakam kuryat. Mayuram dandanamakam kuryan. Mayuram pashvabhyam. Mayuram pashvanamakam. The next is Mayurasana. From Baddhakeki, extended legs behind, floating feet upwards and gaze at your third eye. Visualize peacock in your third eye. Mayurasana. Adavakshe Mahadeva Mayurasana Muttanam Mayurasana Muttamam Bhomo Nipatya Hasto Kurbaro Paridehakam. The next is Makarasana. Lay on floor, forehead on ground, interlace finger behind head, open legs, toes to the side. Visualize crocodile in your third eye. Makarasana. Adyasya chete hridayam nidaya bhumau cha pado cha prasaryamano sirsha dhritva karadanda yukme dehaknikaram makarasanam tat. The next is, we'll be moving to Salabhasana. Hands on ground under shoulder, keep legs together and raise thighs and feet off from the floor. Visualize locust in your third eye. Salabhasana. Adyasya chete karayukma vaksho bhumin vastapya karayostalabhyam padoshcha sunyoscha vitaschi chortvam vadanti pitam salabham munindra. The next is Ustrasana. Holding onto your feet, press heels to the buttocks while contracting abs and mouth. Visualize a camel in your third eye. And Japa Om Mahasadashivoham. Ustrasana. Adyasya chete padayukmavastam prishte nidhapya dridam karabhyam akunchayet samayukmavashtam ustrachana pitam yogino vadanti. The next will be moving to Dhanurasana. Hand holds respective feet, raise chest and thigh, bending the body like a bow as you balance on lower belly. Visualize a bow in your third eye. Dhanurasana. Prasarya pado bhuvidanda rupo karoja prishte dhridapada yukmam krutva dvangulishta varadyagam nigatya yogi dhanurasanam tat. The next will be moving to Bhagasana. Rise yourself up, keep heels outside of hips and sit on knees with toes beneath groin while resting palms on respective knee. Gaze at your third eye and visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Bhagasana. The next will be moving to Gogi Asana. Hold opposite elbow on ground, interlace fingers, crown of head on ground, hands support head, walk feet in, press hips up, align hips over shoulder, lift feet up, calves and thigh together and heels on to the buttocks, bringing knees to the tip of the chin and gaze at your nose. Gogi Asana. दोहु हाथा की कहूनी जो ये पुनिना कला ये जाने सोई
Nityanandoham.
The next is Shirasasana. From Gohi Asana, maintain base and core, extending feet up straight, keeping gaze at the tip of the nose. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and japa Om Paramashivoham. Visualize and Bandha Moola Bandha. Shirasasana. विपरीतं मण्डलं च द्वितितैविदितं नितः दण्डासनं द्विदितप्रोक्तं विपरीतोपवीक्षणे. The next will be moving to Podhyasana. Seated position, legs up straight, chest to the thigh, hands hold calves, head to knees. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and japa Om Paramashivoham. Podhyasana. दो हाथ पगा बहारे आने घोड़ा तरीका कसी करवे. The next will be moving to Parigasana. Bring hands to opposite shoulder. Keep legs together at 45 degree. Visualize mace into your third eye and japa Om Paramashivoham. Parigasana. मूलद्वार धरिति परिधाने दावा पगा परिधाचे पदे आने. Now we'll be moving to Shivasana. Stretch out legs and arms, palms facing upwards. Forcibly draw up the Kundalini for a few seconds in Shakti Chalana Mudra. Then completely relax the whole body, making it motionless like a dead body. Visualize Paramashiva in your third eye and japa Om Paramashivoham. अत शवासनम् उत्तानं सववद्भूमो शयनं तु शवासनं. शवासनं शान्तिहरं चित्तवृषानिकारकम्.
Paramashivoham. 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 Paramashivoham.
Start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch arms and legs out. Stretch side to side. Rock yourself up to in a comfortable seated position. Sit with your head, neck, spine in a straight line. We'll be ending the session with chanting the Purna mantra. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudakshate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Hari Om Tat Sat. Sarvam Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. Thank you, Nityanandam.